So let's just jump into it. I recently just got monetized after being on this channel for about 8 months, and honestly, I feel like it was a few key factors that helped me get to this monetization journey real quick. One, it was going live. Live streaming had helped me grow my channel extremely fast. If you're on YouTube and you're a new content creator, I feel like you need to be going live. And I only say that because as a new content creator that's getting here on this YouTube platform, for the most part, a lot of people don't know who you are. And when a lot of people don't know who you are, the best way people can get to know you as a content creator is by you going live. And I feel like we living in a new world where you're gonna have to do more than just post videos. It is what it is. I always refer back to like my music career. For those who don't know, I was a rapper before I was a YouTuber, and I understood that the industry was changing. So for example, even as a rapper, rappers is out here doing music videos, but unfortunately, rappers got to do more than music videos in order for people to connect with them. This is why you see a lot of different musicians and artists and things like that doing podcasts and, actually going on live streams. I'm noticing, the new place to promote artist music now is on live streams and things like that. Going live is important. The industry is changing. So if you are a new content creator and you are here to grow your channel or build some type of buzz or fan base here on this platform, go live. Another reason why it's important to go live is because live is where you are able to network with people, you are able to meet new people, build relationships, and basically let people get a glimpse of who you are as a person. Because a lot of times, especially in today's climate, people want to know you before they know your work. It is what it is. This ain't the 90s, it ain't the early 2000s and things like that where the art can do the work for itself. You have to do more than just post videos. You have to do more than just, think you can post content and let the algorithm do the work. Speaking of algorithm, you feel me? I'm always talking about the importance of not depending on the algorithm. F the algorithm. You have to build your own algorithm, which means you have to go out there and meet the people. You have to go out there and network. You have to go out there and build your brand and tell people who you are, because at the end of the day, becoming a content creator is also being a business. And when you're a business, you have to go out there and build your business. People do not know who you are. You know what I'm saying? So get off your high horse. Stop thinking you can just post a video and somebody is just gonna magically find you and become like, a hardcore fan. Yes, that is possible. It can happen. But, the more time the more that time goes on, the more different things is gonna be. It's not gonna be like that for long. The industry is already changing, as I stated earlier. You know what I'm saying? People want to see more. They don't want to just see you on a screen talking and doing whatever it is you doing. They want to be more personal. They want to be, more connected. So with that being said, go live. Now the benefits of going live. One, and this is a thing too, especially early on in your YouTube journey. Have a goal, have a plan. Understand what it is you want to do, which means if you are working on getting monetized. This was my goal when I first started here on YouTube. My goal was just to get my channel monetized. I wasn't thinking about nothing else at the time. I wasn't working towards really making other goals at that time. My main focus was getting monetized. So in order to have to get monetized, you would need 1,000 subscribers. How you doing? You got it? Okay. So in order to get monetized, you would need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, right? So now in my mind, I'm like, how can I get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, as quick as possible? And that's to get fully monetized. If you're working towards getting partially monetized, I believe you only need 500 subs and 3,000 watch hours. But whichever way, the goal is to get there. I notice if you want to gain subs fast and you want people to connect with you fast, going live vertical helps a lot. It helps build your subscriber count by having people connect with you way faster than how they will connect with you if you just post a regular video. Unless, of course you go viral or something like that. But, it ain't as easy to go viral as it is to go live. You know what I'm saying? So going live vertical definitely helps you grow your channel subscriber-wise. You know what I'm saying? Also, when you go live vertical, you also are working on watch hours as well. You know what I'm saying? Give me 1 second. You're welcome. So also, when you going live, you also is working on your watch hours as well. The more people that you connect with, the more people that's gonna show up. You know what I'm saying? This is why it's important to just start off by supporting people. Start off by going in people's lives, communicating with them, introducing yourself. And the more you do that, the more people is gonna rock with you and eventually come over to your side and help you hit that monetization goal. This was how I was able to do what I was doing. I went into people chats. I went and networked. I went and built connections. Even went on other people's live streams and collaborated with them. You know what I'm saying? These are things I felt like was crucial in the beginning of my YouTube journey. Also, keeping in mind that you have to have intention. Why is it you want people to come to your channel? And if you do want people to come to your channel, what are they getting from coming to your channel? You know what I'm saying? You don't be that content creator that you feel like could just post anything and people is just gonna come show you support because you. You know what I'm saying? A person like me, for example, take me for example, and this is just me. I'm not saying this is what you have to do, but one of the things that I took pride in was the quality of my work. You know what I'm saying? So I invested a lot of money into the products that I have so I can make sure the people that come to my channel and view my videos have the best viewing experience as possible. You know what I'm saying? If you can, go get you a camera. If you can, go get you a mic. You know what I'm saying? If you can, take the time out and plan out what it is you are putting out to the world. You know what I'm saying? Don't be out here just putting out, mediocre bullshit, so my girl Trisha would say. You know what I'm saying? We don't do mediocre bullshit. People don't want to watch that. You know what I'm saying? You wouldn't want to watch that. So if you wouldn't want to watch that, don't try to force anybody else to watch that. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, it is what it is. What's going on? You're welcome. So with that being said, it just is what it is. Think about what other people will want to watch. You know what I mean? And you should be fine. That's basically it. And if this is your first time coming through to this channel, if this is your first time watching this channel, I go live every week. You know what I'm saying? I go live every week. Subscribe to the channel. I am big on building communities and helping up and coming YouTubers grow their channel. You know what I'm saying? So if you are a new YouTube channel and this is your first time stopping by to this channel, subscribe to my channel. I go live and, just talk to me in my live stream and we will see what we could do to help you take your channel to the next level. You know what I'm saying? I go by the name of Stash Cash if you don't know so already. And until next time, I'll see you on the next video. Yeah.